How do I listen to Canvas new quizzes in Respondus LockDown Browser and use the ReadSpeaker Bookmarklet? First, access your test in the Respondus LockDown Browser. Press the Ctrl and R keys simultaneously. Enter your institution email address and Canvas password. Click Login. The Bookmarklet is now on your screen. Notice it looks like the WebReader player and has many of the same tools. Highlight the question and click Listen.
Which of the following tools are found in WebReader? Mark all that apply.
For best practice, highlight each answer individually and click Listen.
Page mask. Click and listen. Reading voice. Reading ruler. Settings.
And the answer is everything except the reading ruler. Repeat the process for the next question.
I use DocReader to read which of the following file types in content: MP3, Office files, DocX, PPTX, XLSX, PDFs, plain text, and rich text. HTML. MP4.
We know the answer is the choice with Office files. Continue in the same manner for the rest of your test. Now that you see how easy it is, you will want to try this out.